Hi, this is the Keyboard Quest and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the Settings app and then tap to the Sound section. Here you'll see media call, ringtone and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. We could also activate the vibration for calls with a click on the switcher. We could turn on or turn off the Don't Disturb mode to use the shortcut to prevent ringing or to turn it off, to change ringtone and notification sounds, and in advanced settings we could switch also the alarm sounds here, and to activate and turn on the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, vibration in call, charging sounds, touch sounds and touch vibration with a click of each of the switchers. And in sound attachments we could also use the volume booster for speaker. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs ups and subscribe.